Hey guys, what's up? Welcome or welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new here, my name is Kelly. I make 2 videos a week, twice a week, every Tuesday and Thursday. If you guys want to join the fam, that would be super duper awesome. Today, what I got going on for you guys is I am actually going to be trying out the brow trend, brow lamination. If you guys don't know my background, I am a licensed esthetician. If you guys don't know what an esthetician is, it's a little bit easier to say skin therapist because esthetician does not roll off the tongue very easily. Basically what I do is I work with skincare, facials. I also am a certified makeup artist and I'm allowed to do waxing and other services as well. So one of the things that I did was I got certified with Lacquer Brow Lamination. They are a partner, like affiliated partner with Minx Brows. If anybody else on here is an esthetician or a cosmetologist, you guys might be familiar with Minx. The Brow Lacquer brand, I believe itself is Canadian as well. So a little bit behind brow lamination. What is brow lamination? While a lash lift is going to semi-permanently curl your lashes and keep them like nice and big and full so you don't physically have to curl them with an eyelash curler, what a brow lamination does is it semi-permanently lifts the eyebrow hairs essentially. Some of my favorite artists I'm going to have right here as I'm talking about this stuff. Brows by Claudia Louise. Oh my God, her stuff is seriously to die for, you guys. Like her before and afters are absolutely incredible, and at some point someday I would die to be a brow artist like her. With this becoming such a huge trend and being such a big thing but also such an easy service, I was really excited to get certified, and today I'm really excited to try this out on myself. Now I have done 2 pairs of brows already. Here is one of them that I got a before and an after shot, and I actually really liked the results, but I know I can do better. Though I am certified, I still don't know everything about the process, and a lot of being an esthetician is trial and error. I figured if I'm going to be offering this service to you guys, then I might as well have tried it out myself. I'm really nervous. All of the brow products I'm using today are Lacquer. If you guys want to go check out their Instagram, I will have it linked down below. So first step of the process, I'm taking the Lacquer brow shampoo and I am shampooing my brow hairs with a flocked applicator. Clean up all that surface area, ma'am. Next, I go in with the skin barrier. I'm just using a teeny weeny bit of this. By the way, I'm putting like everything on the back of my glove while I do this process. I like working with the back of my hands. It's how I work with my makeup as well. With this skin barrier, they said don't worry as much about the bottom of your eyebrow, like worry about up above. I think it has to do something with the chemicals and like the gluing down process. Okay, skin barrier is down, ma'am. Going in with the styling adhesive. Okay, so first brow is glued down. Look at the difference between them. That's insane. Okay, I decided that I'm gonna do one brow and then do the other brow and see how it turns out like that because I don't want to do them both at the same time. I'm just like a little bit too nervous to do that. So now that we have the brow glued down, I'm gonna go in with step 1. This is the Lacquer Lift. Now, since my brow hairs aren't actually that unruly, technically I didn't even need to glue them down, but I wanted to be sure. This stuff smells like perm. I really want these front hairs to stand up because currently they do not stand up. And then we cover with some saran wrap like so. No barking. No barking. Alright, and we're gonna set a timer for 4 minutes. Okay, it has been 4 minutes. Ooh, okay. We wiped away step 1, and now we're gonna go in with step 2. This is the laminate. will saran wrap the brow again. And let that set another 4 minutes. While this sets down, I'm going to prepare for the next step. We use a slightly damp cotton round with a teeny bit of the brow shampoo and wait for our timer. It's been 4 minutes. Okay, so the plan is now to wipe off as much as possible. Make sure that there's no excess junk in my brow. And you know what I'm gonna do? I'm going to tint my brows as well. Today I'm using the Refecto-Sil. This is the only one that I could buy not online. And then I'm using the oxidant to go with it too so that it fully tints my brow. It takes 15 seconds or less for the brow hair to soak up the tint, and this is a natural dark brown. You guys know that I like my brows a little bit darker. I don't know how dark it's gonna get. Oh, I'm so nervous. This is where the truth comes out, okay? Oh my god, okay. Okay. Alright, so listen up you guys. When you do the tinting part of the process, you don't have to be as precise with it as if you were doing like the henna. I actually like going outside of the lines a little bit with my tint. That way then if I have any plucking I need to do, then I can pluck accordingly. So usually you leave tint on anywhere in between 3 and 10 minutes depending on the tint that you're working with. The last time I tinted brows with this Refecto-Sil, literally we left it on for 15 seconds. I don't want to leave it on very long because my hairs aren't as coarse, so I'm going to use that brow shampoo and some water and fully take off any rest of the tint. It's not bad. It's actually not as dark as I thought it would be, which is awesome, but it's still a little bit darker, which is also awesome. Oh my god, look at the difference in my brows! Girl, she looks big and bushy and full. Oh my. I just really want to make sure that they're nice and clean so that I didn't over process them. I'm not getting any of the glue out right now, which I think is totally fine because then they'll have some time to set up. I read that typically they'll be glued down for about 24 hours and then after that you can get them wet and then they won't look quite like this, but dang, look at the difference in between my brows. Do you see how full and thick and fluffy? And it's not even microblading, that is my natural brow hairs. Like we didn't do anything different. Oh my lord. It looks like it has just so much more body to it. That is awesome. You guys might notice there's gonna be a few hairs that are out of the line of my brow. I probably will go clean those up within the next couple days, but I'm actually really liking the fluffy look that I'm getting today, and the hairs that are out of the lines are kind of, they're still glued down and I don't feel like plucking them or waxing them. I'm just gonna leave them nice and fluffy. What I'm gonna do now is, oh my god, all the way back here this brow looks so much bigger. Oh god, what did I do? Oh my god. After tinting, the last step is step 3. This one is the set. So since my brows are already glued down, this is just going to ensure whatever I've got going on right here is going to keep staying in place. Oh my goodness, this is crazy. Apply a thin layer. And then it says to brush through with a spoolie, but yeah, everything's just pretty much all set in place. Oh my god, I hope I did this right on myself. Oh boy. Okay, now that I've done all the steps, I'm going to go off camera and finish this brow, and then I will see you guys when I'm done. Are you guys ready? Oh girl, they are thick. Did I also mention that I haven't plucked my eyebrows in 6 months in preparation for this? Oh god. I don't love my second brow. I didn't realize how long my brow hairs were. Like, this difference is quite intense. I'm looking fuzzy. Oh boy. Okay guys, so here's the final product. I really like how my first one turned out, and then my second one, she got real bushy real quick, so the next 24 hours are gonna be quite iffy with these babes. Holy Hannah. I'm guessing these are gonna be here for about 6 to 8 weeks. In 24 hours they'll chill out a little bit. The hardest thing with this is I never know how they're going to turn out until after they're completely done, and I'm like, oh, I should have done this, and this different. I think my biggest thing is that I'm hoping that this is worth it, because I absolutely loved when I did an eyelash lift and tint, so I was really excited to do the brow lamination lift. Don't look at this one, she didn't turn out as good, but this one did. I hope you guys enjoyed watching today. Thank you so much for sticking around. If you want to try brow lamination for yourself and you're a local in my area, please slide into my DMs on Instagram. My Instagram will be linked down below. If you guys have tried brow lamination yourself or you're interested in it, give me a comment down below. I would love to hear what you think about this type of transformation, because I think it's gonna take a while for me to get used to, but honestly I'm kind of digging it. Like, I think it's kind of cute. We'll see. If you guys like my videos, please give me a big fat thumbs up and click the link right here. Go check out some of my other stuff that I do from day to day. Like I said, I upload 2 videos a week, twice a week, every Tuesday and Thursday. Thank you so much again for watching, and I will see you in my next one. Bye.